Haley.
Haley. Haley.
There's so many good stuff on there. So many good things. Hey, Haley. Huh? What's that? What's that? You like that? Look. Look. There you go. You should get her one of those things full of
Yeah, that's it.
full of toys on there. Yes. Yes. Oh, she's loving that, isn't she?
Oh, yeah.
What, for at the very beginning?
Careful, honey.
He got really frustrated, but he, he doesn't really understand.